At Ledwell, we never compromise. We never compromise our expectations, our values, our character. We strive for superior customer relationships. And with our custom manufactured solutions, you never have to settle for less. When it comes to quality, we hold ourselves to a higher standard. We build pride. We build what you need. Our products aren't just well-made, they're Ledwell made.
Ledwell is a manufacturer, but we're not your typical conveyor belt, but we do a lot of custom work.
What sets Ledwell apart from the competition is that Ledwell is diversified enough that we can build almost anything that a customer needs to do their job.
They take a customer's desires, dreams, anything they can think up, we build it. We basically manufacture everything in-house, so we're able to control the quality from start to finish on the product.
It has to function. It has to do what it's intended to do. Our customers depend on us as a supplier to have that commitment. If we didn't do that, we wouldn't have a business.
My customer is anywhere from the guy that has one truck to the guy that has 10,000 trucks.
Everything we build makes their life easier. So if you can get up in the morning and do something that kind of helps somebody get up in the morning and do their job, then you have accomplished something.
The best thing about Ledwell is our people. They take care of each other, and because they do that, they take care of the customer and we take care of the community. Once you're here, if you fit in the culture, you don't leave.
I've been with Ledwell for almost 25 years.
17 years.
30 years.
43rd year. Oh, I'm one of the 3 old guys left.
It gives the guys a sense of pride knowing they're not just making a great piece of equipment and making the customer happy and taking care of their family, they're also taking care of the community.
The only asset we can't replace are our people.
I think we all feel like this is our company. Our last name may not be Ledwell, but we feel like it is.
I wanted to work for somebody who knew my name and knew my family, and this is such a place.
We have created this culture that matters. Anyone who comes here sees it. Ideally, every product that goes out has a little bit of it attached to it. That's what I want people to know about Ledwell, is our people are the key.
For over 70 years, we've delivered exceptional equipment and personalized customer service. We've delivered reliability, efficiency, and innovation. It's a standard we've set for ourselves, and we've never wavered. Welcome to quality. Welcome to dedication. Welcome to Ledwell.